Sa hampas palayok naman, yun, may dalawa tayong palayok. Yun ay naglalaman ng tig 1,000 pesos. Sa dama naman po ay merong 4 na maglalaro. Yung mga winners po ito. Merong mag-uwi ng 1,000, may 700, 500, and 300 pesos. Ayan, sino po yung mga interesado maglaro at mag-uwi ng papremyo ngayong hapon na ito? Ayan, kung ano po yung bet nyo na salihan na laro, doon po kayo mag-join. Kung kaya nyo po umakyat ng kawayan na madulas, doon po tayo sa ating Palos Sebo sa labas. Alright? Are you excited? Siyempre, ang una nating laro ay ang batong bola. Bumuo ng 4 na grupo na merong 10 membro. Oh. Paunahan po dito ang makabuo. 4 na grupo na tig sa 10. Alright. Kompleto? Sige, i-assist po kayo, okay? Please fill in line. Please fill in line. Straight line. Ayan, hanggang dyan lang sa may guhit. Okay na? 1, 2, 3. Alright? Naglimang grupo na. 4 na grupo lang muna. Isang grupo lang muna kasi meron tayong second set pa. Sa second set na lang. Sa second set kayo. Kasi ang mangyayari, sa lahat ng mananalo, paglalabanin yung mga winner at paglalabanin din yung mga losers. Alright?
Okay, magpalabunutan kayo. Saan yung dalawang grupo? Yung maunang maglaban, yung group 1 at saka group 2. Group 3 and group 4. Kung sino yung mananalo sa group 1 and 2 at sa 3 and 4, maglalaban sila mamaya winner by winner, loser by loser. Okay. You're not just time that I'm killing. I'm no longer one of those guys. As sure as I live, all this love that I give is gonna be yours until the day that I die. Oh baby, I'm gonna love you forever. Forever and ever, amen. As long as old men sit and talk about the weather, as long as older women sit and talk about old men. If you wonder how long I'll be faithful, I'd be happy to tell you again. Oh darling, I'm gonna love you forever and ever, forever and ever, amen. Okay, sino yung nakakuha ng number 1? Okay, dito kayo, be. Yung number 2. Dito kayo, be. Bato-bato pick. Sino yung captain, ano nyo? Team leader. Sino yung team leader ng kabila? Dito yung number 2. Sige, dito yung number 2. Tatlo, paunahan sa tatlo. Okay, sa nanalo, anong gusto nyo? Bantay kayo o kayo yung sa gitna? Bantay kayo sa gitna. Okay, bantay. Okay, trial tayo ha. Trial tayo. 5 dito. 5 dito, 5 doon. Sana yung group 1. Sa gitna kayo, be. Kayo yung babatuhin. Dito na lang tayo. Sige. Pag ganyan na lang tayo, Joke, at baka matamaan yung screen. Baka matamaan. Pero, Eric, maganda. Ito lang yung face, oh. Ito, why ko lang sobra dito. Diba? Sige. Amen. Ito mga to, kakampe. Gang, baligtad tayo kasi baka matamaan yun. Bantay doon at saka dito. Doon tayo. Ayan. Ngayon yung pagitan natin, walang susobra dito, walang susobra doon. Sana yung group 1, di ba ang nasa gitna? Saan yung group 1? Okay. Yung group 2 dito, 5 rin doon. Parang malayo masyado doon sa kabila. O, lagyan nyo ng tanda. Gang dito, gang. I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. Hanggang saan yung doon? Parang malayo masyado yung bantay. Urong kayo dito, be. Urong kayo dito, be. Sige. Sige pa. Ayan. Tapos walang susobra dito, walang susobra doon. Okay, trial. Jo, sino sa timer? Sino sa timer? Sino may hawak ng time? Jo, timer. breaking us down when they all should let us be. I belong to you. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest.
Okay, okay. Trial lang yon. Ganun yung mangyayari. Huwag nyong tirahin mas mataas, mas mababa hanggang baywang, mas madali nyo silang matouch. Ayan po ha. 3 minutes po ang ating time. Jo, go na. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's summertime. Oh, a red wine. Convict. Gaga.
It stays the style, it stays for a while. Here in Kuwait, we're always watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young, let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we'll never see my birth. Sitting in the sandpit, life is so short. The music's for the sad man. Can we imagine when this race is won? Can I go and faces into the sun? Praising all the earth, we get into tune. Music's where you are, and I die forever young. I wanna be forever young.
We going on vacation, so where you wanna go? It's a celebration, don't need no invitation. Going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Love is our destination. Going on vacation. One song and all on the floor. I love this record, baby, but I can't see straight anymore. It's cool. What's the name of the song? I can't remember, but it's alright, alright. Just dance, we'll be okay.
Alright, out na po yung natamaan ng bola.
Just dance, we'll be okay. Just dance, dance, just dance. Looking, I could feel it in my skin. Oh, I wonder what would happen if I trip and let you in. Don't
Alright,
my impressions,
out. Wag na pong lalampas dito sa may guhit na ito.
find your body up. Don't wanna wait no more. Got what I'm searching for. I'm feeling your vibing, I'm riding high as exotic, and I want you. I wanna feel you near. Wind up, wind up, wind up, oh yeah. Wind up, wind up, wind up, oh yeah. Wind up, wind up, wind up, oh yeah. Wind up, wind up, wind up, oh yeah.
23 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Alright. Balik na tayo sa second rounds na po tayo. Balik naman kayo ng pwesto. Wag lang lumampas sa guhit na ito ha. At saka guhit dyan, sa kanya wala nang lalampas. Kaya nga, wala nang lalampas sa mga guhit na ito at guhit na yan. Automatic na po, out na po ang lalampas dyan ha. Alright! And 3, 2, and 1!
Cool.
Alright. Out.
Skip this conversation, just wind your body up. Don't wanna wait no more. You got what I'm searching for. I'm feeling your vibe and I'm riding high and excited. And I want you, You hold me closer and hold me tight to your body. I wanna feel you, I wanna feel you near. It's not your fault I ruin everything. And it's not your fault I give me what you need, baby. Just like you can fly down there. Really say I never realized nobody would go in hard on the floor.
Alright, out. Double out. Alright, out.
You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk.
30 seconds.
Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. The way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know you're beautiful.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright. Let's proceed to the third round.
That's what makes you beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm waiting on you,
3 and 4.
waiting on you. Come on
Alright, 3 and 4. Bato-bato pick.
and have a celebration, a celebration. The music up, the windows down. Yeah, we'll be doing what we do, just pretending that we're cool, and we know it too. Yeah, we'll keep doing what we do, just pretending that we're cool. So tonight, let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend it's love, and never, never, never stop for anyone. Tonight, let's get some and live while we young.
Alright.
You and I.
Ready na ba yung mga group?
About to make some memories tonight. I wanna live.
Alright, ready na?
We wanna let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend it's love, and never, never, never stop for anyone. Tonight, let's get some. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods on an almost night where we slept.
Alright, alright. Trial pa lang yan. Wala pa tayong timer. Trial pa lang yan. Trial. Wala pang timer. Pangpainit. Alright? Alright, okay na? Yes, okay na. And 3, 2, 1!
I'm wearing all my favorite brands. Give me some space to put my hands.
Oh, wala nang lalampas dito sa guhit ha. Wala nang lalampas.
And it goes on and on and on. I throw my hands up in the air sometimes, saying, hey, oh, gotta let go. I wanna celebrate and live my life, saying, hey, oh, baby, let's go. 'Cause we gon' rock this club, we gon' go all night, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite. 'Cause I told you once, now I told you twice, we gon' light it up like it's dynamite.
Me? Ignoring you? Yes. Yes, I am, bitch.
It's not your fault I ruin everything, and it's not your fault I give me what you need, baby. Just like you can fly down here with a day
1 minute and 35 seconds. Fifty-nine seconds. Thirty-seven seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Change court. Change court. Based po dito sa ating rules, the decision of the board is final. Kung ano po magiging decision niya. I-out natin.
Okay, napag-decision po namin na si Kuya na naka-brown and black pants ay natamaan po yung kanyang shoes. Nadaplisan yung kanyang shoes. Oh, maraming witness na natamaan yung shoes. Okay, based on sa amin, ang na-touch ay X po yung na-touch. Sa shoes, tumagid na sa shoes.
Okay, kung ganun po ang ating magiging sistema, yung first game po natin is void, ulitin po natin. Para makakaroon po tayo ng dalawang game ulit. Ganon. Kasi based po natin dito sa ating rules, kung ano po yung decision final decision na po yung decision ng ating game master. Alright? Ano po? Willing po kayo na i-out siya, doon sa mga natanggal? Or maglalaro tayo ulit ng isa, yung unang game nyo, i-void natin? Sa inyo? Okay sa inyo? I-void natin yung unang game. O, i-void natin yung unang game. Okay sa inyo na i-out siya or i-void natin yung unang game. I-out siya. Alright. I-out daw. Payag na, i-out na siya. I-void. Ulit, ay continue. Alright, pero i-out natin siya ha. Isasama siya sa isang na-out. Bali, naging anim yung out sa inyo. Alright, continue. Sige. Alright, and 3. Wala nang lalampas sa mga lines na ito ha. Automatic po yan. Alright, okay, timer starts now. Alright, tanggal. One minute and 15 seconds. Dalawa? O, dalawa rin na tumaan doon sa kabila. Tatlo. Tatlo na. Tatlo na yung natamaan. Forty-three seconds. Oh, may nasapol. May nasapol. Nasapol kanina yung may kulay-kulay na damit. Out na ito. Out ka na. Out na yun, naka-brown na short and white. Two and one. Alright. Natamaan? O, natamaan. Apat. Alright. Ano na tayo? Winner by winner. Winner versus winner na po tayo.
Okay, ang mangyayari, winner by winner, loser by loser. Ngayon, kung ano yung result, halimbawa yung sa winner by winner, yung isa nakakuha ng 5 outs, yung isa 4 outs, yung sunod doon ay 3 or 2, irarank na natin. Kung sino yung may pinakamaraming, ang sino ang may pinakamaraming natira sa gitna na member, siya yung mananalo. Ha? Oo, ibig sabihin, ang winner natin ay magalingan umiwas ng bola. Pinakamaraming matirang miyembro, hindi siya pinakamaraming natamaan. Okay? Kung ilan, halimbawa yung irarank namin kayo, yung isang grupo, ang naiwan ay 7, kayo yung mananalo. Magwi-winner by winner nga tayo ngayon. Loser by loser. Doon namin kayo irarank. Ang mananalo po hindi maraming natamaan, maraming naiwan. Pagalingan po umiwas sa bola. Okay? Sige.
Alright, klaro? Alright, yung winner kanina sa unang game at yung winner naman sa pangalawang game natin. Sana. Okay, pwesto na, pwesto.
Sino yung last na yung group 3 at saka group 4, lapit mo na kayo. Pareho kayong 4 out. Lima. Ganito, halimbawa, kung double, wag nating i-count yung na double kasi minsan kasi natama lang sa kanya. Yung unang tinamaan talaga. Okay lang yon kasi ganun yung mechanics natin. Okay. Isa lang yung yung i-count natin doon, yung una talagang tinarget ng bola. Yung na-double, wag nating kasi minsan natamanan sa kanya ganon. Okay. Ngayon, ang nangyari, Tay, anong gusto nyo? Mag-isang game kayo? Ano lang, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Anong nangyari? Okay, ang kalaban ng group 2 ay group 4. And then, ang next game ay group 1 and group 3. Okay, doon tayo magra-ranking ngayon, ha? Ang mananalo ngayon, ang maglalaro ngayon ay 2 and 4.
Bato-bato pick na. Yo. Alright. Kaya nga, bato-bato pick na lang kung sino yung babato. Unang babato. So, sige. Okay. Para magkaalaman ko sinong mananalo, mag-isang game kayo. Sige. 2 minutes.
Obsessed with you?
2 minutes. Alright. Siyempre kami na-skip din namin yan sa bilis ng bola. Ha? Alright, sige. Pag may double na natamaan, tanggal. Alright? Alright. Kaya nga, ganun dapat. Kasi may mga iba pa tayong game. Sana. Pero okay naman yung suggestion niya. Sige, anong, Timel? Pag may natamaan ng bola, ihinto yung timer, palabasin mo na. Or automatically, pag may natamaan ng bola, alam niya natamaan siya, lalabas na siya. Yun nga eh. Kaya nga ihinto natin yung ano. Pag may natamaan, ihinto natin yung timer, lalabas mo na yung natamaan. Alright? Okay na po, okay na? Alright. Medyo hinahinay lang yung pagbato ha, at saka huwag ganong mataas. Kasi baka makatama rin tayo ng tao. Sige, ganito. Pag may natamaan, ihinto yung timer, palalabasin yung natamaan. Okay? Alright. Okay, Timer starts now. Out. Alright. Out. Okay. Starts now. $58 seconds. Out. Okay. Go.
I take the shot and wine, wine, wine.
17 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right. Group. Dalawang natanggal. Ano na, winner by winner na? Isa kayo change court. Alright. Okay na, ready na? Ayan. Time starts now. Out, out. Out na, out. Go. Okay, out. Out. Dalawa na, dalawa. Start. Okay, tatlo. Out. Okay, let's start. Tapusin pa. Alright. Stop na, stop. Tatlo na yung kabila. Alright. Alright, magharap na yung dalawang winner. Si Group 4. Okay, Group 2 and Group 3. Group 2 and Group 3. Yung mga loser. Alright. Loser to loser daw po muna. Alright. Group 1 and Group 4 ang maghaharap. Alright. Losers to losers po muna. Si Group 2 and si Group 4 yung maghaharap. Si Group 1 at si Group 3 sila po yung ating mga winner. Group 2 at Group 4. Oh, loser to loser. Alright, sana yung Group 2 and Group 4. Yan, ready na po tayo. Alright. Ang paglalabanan nyo ay 3rd place and 4th place. Yung paglalabanan ninyo, ha? Alright, okay, start na. Sige na, dito na. Para matapos yung laro natin kasi marami pa tayong laro. Okay na? O ayaw nyo na maglaro? Ano? Mag-decide kayo. Gusto nyo pa ba maglaro? O gusto nyo magbato-bato pick na lang kayo para sa 3rd and 4th? Bato-bato pick na lang kayo? Bato-bato pick na lang daw para sa 3rd and 4th. Tatlo ha, tatlo. Tatlo. Alright. Ang 3rd natin ay ang Group 4. Tama? Group 4 si 3rd. Ang 4th natin ay Group 2. Oh, yung dalawang winner, maglalaro kayo, magbabato-bato pick kayo. Ha? Laro? Oh, sige na, kayo na, sunod. Alright, pwesto na, pwesto. Laro, batuhan or... batuhan, alright. Okay. Kayo na magbato. Group. Anong group kayo? Alright. Anong group kayo? One kayo? Kayo yung babatuhin? Alright. Si group 1 yung babatuhin. Alright. Sige na. Maraming kumukontest talaga. Apaka competitive. All right, up. Time starts, go. One minute and 30 seconds. All right, up. Go. All right, up. 1 minute and 10 seconds. All right, up. 1 minute and 4 seconds. Okay, up. 55 seconds. All right, up. 40 seconds. All right. All right.
Yung grupo kanina, yung bantay kanina, yung grupo na bantay kanina, ang natitira, bago nila naubos yung tao sa gitna, may natira kayong 34 seconds. Ngayon, 34. Halimbawa, maubos nyo rin yung mga tumatakbo dito ng mas mabilis na oras, kayo yung panalo.
Alright. Kaya siguraduhin yung maubos nyo rin yung kabila, ha? Alright. Okay, time starts. All right, out. Okay, start. 2 minutes. All right, up. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Ano, tuloy? Alright, tuloy. Alright, up. One minute and 15 seconds.
This is crazy.
59 seconds. 48 seconds. 38 seconds. Okay, up. Go. 29 seconds. Twelve seconds. All right, out. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Anong group? Anong group nanalo?
Okay, sa ating bato bola, ang winner natin ay Group 3. Sino yung 3 yung may yung nahuli diba sa gitna? Okay, Group 3. Ang second ay Group 1. Third ay Group 4. Fourth place ay Group 2. Okay, pakahingi na lang po kami ng mga pangalan ng team leader. Ang premyo po ninyo, makiklaim nyo bukas sa Treasurer's Office. Dala lang ng valid ID. Team leader by group. Okay, ngayon po ay dadako po tayo sa Palosebo. Ang premyo po sa Palosebo ay individual. Kung sino po ang makakakuha ng flag sa dulo, siya ay mayroong 2,000 piso. Kanya-kanyang